That's insane. Wow! My goodness! That is insane. Wow! That is wild. That is absolutely insane. Wow, no mobile home can stand up to this. If you stay in a mobile home, boy, you are done. Hey, don't come out here, don't come out here. Wow. This is the back end of the storm, guys. This is the back end of the hurricane. I don't know how we haven't lost power. This is insane. Oh, you can hear it roaring. Roaring. You just hear it roaring, man, like a train. I have no idea how we haven't lost power. All you hear is a roaring sound. Oh, madre que lo parió a hacer, no, un viento de madre a hacer, Oye, pero un viento por ahí para allá a hacer, que acaba. Para que tú sepas. No, un viento por ahí para allá a hacer. Ahora sí se puso feo esto. Ahora sí que está tomando, ¿verdad? No, está. Ahora sí se acabó el viento y la madre de los tomates, hacer. No, mira esto, hacer. Clase de viento, mi hermano. Oye, hacer, clase de viento. Oye, pero aquella mata sigue parada. Mira qué clase de viento, hacer. No, pero un viento de madre, mi hermano, ¿verdad? ¿Qué clase de viento por ahí para allá? Oye, acaba el viento para que tú sepas. Oye, un viento por ahí para allá de madre, hacer. Mira qué clase de viento, hacer. No, pero lo que está soplando, me da que tú sepas. Ay, hacer, yo entre el perro. Yo que me hizo me da el perro de afuera, güey. No, mentira, tranquilo, hacer. Una ventolera para que tú sepas, hacer una ventolera por ahí para allá, hacer. Oye, pero aquí lo que está cayendo es mucho, hacer. Mira para allá, clase de viento. Hacer, clase de viento, hacer. Oye, pero un viento de madre, hacer. Oye, pero la camioneta, hacer. No está acabando. La camioneta aquella va a estar. Oye, un viento de madre, hacer. No, todo un viento que acaba con todo por ir para allá, hacer. Oh, mira eso, bro. Oye, pero ¿qué es esto, hacer? No, pero ¿qué es esto, hacer? Mira para allá, ¿qué clase de ventolera, mi hermano? No, pero aquello está acabando, hacer. Un viento y agua. Y la madre de los tomates, hacer. Un viento que soplando, hacer. Mira para allá, mi hermano, clase de viento. Oye, la mata se va a caer. Mira para allá qué clase de ventolera, hacer. Una ventolera de viento y de agua, para que tú sepas. Mira para allá qué clase de ventolera, hacer. No, lo que está cayendo es lo que está. Mira para allá, pero oye, qué clase de viento, hacer. Oye, pero mira qué clase de viento, oye, se lleva la mata. Y el abanico ese cartel del stop sign no se ha caído todavía, pero para aquel día remete con un carro, acaba con todo para que tú sepas. Porque es un cartel guapo. Tú estás fajado ahí con el viento. Estás fajado con el viento, hacer. Estás fajado con el viento, con el aire, con toda la mano, tomando para allá. Mira para allá que la hace viento, hacer. Oye, viene otra rafaguita esa que acaban de hacer. Oye, en Cuba pasé tremenda ventolera una vez, para que tú sepas. Hubo un viento, un ciclón que acabó en Cuba, hacer. Mira esto, mi gente. Ahí va otra ventolera esa por ir para allá que tú dices, hacer, se me va a acabar el carro. La camioneta nueva no la acabo de pagar todavía, ya se la ha llevado un huracán de esto. La luz en Cuba, hacer, se va a ir la luz en Cuba. Oye, en Cuba se va la luz, ¿qué cosa? Aquí todavía la gente tiene prendida la luz, para que tú sepas. En Cuba la luz se va por qué cosa, para que tú sepas. Aquí hay una luz puesta ahí, alambrando ahí todo el mundo, hacer. Oye, ese cartel no aguanta más, bro, ese cartel ya no va más. Suéltame, amigo, suéltame, que te va a caer. Ventolera de madre, hacer. Ay, que clase viento, bro, la mata, brinca y se cae. Oye, pero esas papas no piensan caerse, bro. Oye, esas matas tan buenas, hacer. Oye, que se murió esas matas, se la comió. No, porque ahí con un tremendo viento no se cayó ni una sola papa esta, para que tú sepas. Un viento de madre, hacer, y no se caen las palmas esas, bro. Oye, es un tornado que va para allá, para que tú sepas. No, oye, pero estos putos now. Oye, no, pero ¿qué clase? Oye, clase de esto, brother. Oye, era que el cartel se va. Oye, todavía no se ha caído el cartel aquí, tío. Oye, a alguien se le cayó una tapa con refresco ahí ahorita. Pasó una tapa con refresco ahorita, con un viento. No, qué clase de tormenta, Siri. Qué clase, oye, en Cuba una vez pasó un montón, pero oye, no, esto sí está. Aquí está soplando de verdad, para que tú sepas. Está así, y con agua y todo, para que tú veas que no hay agua, Siri. Ahí tienen una ventolera esa otra vez, con viento y la mata y el aire. Oye, Siri. ¿A qué puede ser un tornado, Siri? Sounds like a train, bro. I don't know how these streets haven't fallen yet. That torn down there, that tore that tree down there. Yeah, see that torn down there? They done tore that whole thing down to 2, 3, 4, 5 miles per hour down there. And a storm and a flew. What is that, an alligator climbing up that tree up there? What the crap's going on? What is that, an alligator up on that tree up there? What the crap, that an albino alligator climbing up that tree there? A bald iguana or something down there. You seen that torn? Try right through there, man. I tell you what, I don't know how this tree down there looks like it's torn iguana down there or something. I tell you what, that on the wind goes right there about 120 miles an hour, just blowing right through that mug right there, toe to toe. About 3 or 4 of them trucks down there got no plane, man. Just rain down there. I tell you what, there it goes, stop for a minute, then it come back. Look at the wind down there, come back like a hog tide, man. It come back down a hog and the slop pie down there. I tell you what. That wind done blown 500, 600 miles. Look at that wind right there. Boy, look at the hand right there. I tell you what. I'm trying to tell you what on earth. What the dang on thing right there. I'm trying to tell you. I tell you what, man. I'm trying to tell you that didn't even blue down there. I tell you what. What type of thing of wind like there, man? Done knocked down that thing. What type of wind? I tell you what. I tell you what. This thing on 2, 4, 500-pound wind down there. I tell you what. My buddy caught a bass down there. What on earth? Look at that wind go, man. What type of thing down there? I tell you what on earth? I tell you what, man, that thing will blow right through there, man. That ain't gonna palm tree look like about to fall, man. What type of thing right there run through that truck down there? Man, I'm trying to tell you, dog. 2 or 3 of them hound dogs down there gonna crowd that wind out there. Tell you what, that's the thing wind right there. Man, I tell you what. Man, I tell you what, man, that wind like a dang freighter train down there. Look at that wind down there and run and tell you what, man, gonna knock that palm tree down there. Light posts and everything gonna swing. What on earth down there? I tell you what. How the crap's the power still on down there? FPL down there, I tell you what. That's FPL down there. You don't get no Duke Energy like that, buddy. That's FPL right there, buddy. Yeah, buddy, that's FPL down there. Ain't no Duke Energy down there. The Manatee corporate office down there. I tell you what. Ain't no Manatee community corporate office down there. I tell you what. They done rig that power line like a dang old hog tied to a post down there. Well, no power don't go out. I ain't gonna tell you that 200 mile per hour wind down there. No 2 dang Tell you what, that Duke Energy down there, then Crystal River down there, about 2-3 miles per hour coming down. That about blew the whole thing off down there. It don't stop raining or nothing. It just blew. I tell you what, I don't even know how the power post down there and hold up like that. It must be some type of aluminum alloy composition down there hold up to a wind like that. Man, I tell you, I don't know what that crap. Look at that wind power down and blow down there, man. What type of aluminum post composition that thing got been held on 3-4 hours down there, just blowing the wind, blowing that the other direction now. And I tell you what, eastbound movement down there, 3 or 4 of them light posts ain't fell off. Not one single light bulb came out of there. Give that man a raise in that FCL down there. I tell you what, I'm trying to tell you that of the bone to the bone down there. Now, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 windstorm down there. Category 5 or something looking thing right there, man. It done blow that hurricane wind down there. That palm tree just hold on tight. I don't even know how them palm trees don't break, don't snap, don't got that water down there by that septic tank filled down there or something. But they've been sprinkling, turning the sprinkler on every night down there. Hold on to them trees. Look at them tree root system or something. Must be good root system down there. You'll see a root system like that. Don't even move in the rain. I tell you what. They're going to have to audit these people right here and figure out what that down there putting that water pile down there. Because it'll done blow 3 or 4 hours down there. There's no power line or nothing. Look at this wind power right there. Hold on, buddy. Hold my cowboy hat down there. That's a leather fedora hat, too. That ain't nothing like that down poop down there. That's a leather fedora down there from Texas, too, man. I went down there, about their Paul Wall store down there in Houston, Texas. I tell you what, man. Oh, you better put an ostrich feather on that thing. I tell you what. Now, that's a cap right there. There ain't no cap, but a Bennett cap. You feel me? When I say I'm capping, I'm talking about a hat, player. It have done burned 2 or 3 of them light post wind out there. Done blown hours down there, man. I don't know what type of windstorm down there came and blow that whole thing off the wind. Look at that thing blow down there. 2 or 3 hours non-stop blowing. Hit the tree, hit mud down there. You need a 4x4 truck if you even gonna get out there and entertain like that. Look at that storm. What type of windstorm thing right there, bud? Look at that. Hold on, man. They don't might tell what, man. It look like Mike Jones' grandma came through there and made some good old home cooking out, blowing that storm right there. What type of hurricane force crap is this, man? Category 3 down there, closed down a Waffle House right about now. Hey, what, man? That dang old coastal thing, Miami-Dade building code down there. And you get your little inspector down there, talk about put it here, that metal hurricane strap right here, about 3 or 4 of them flood zone eviction zones down there. You talk about wind zone mitigation right there, that boy done held up. It ain't no trailer park around here, man. You tell the wind, this ain't no trailer right here. Mama gonna survive in this damn player. Look at that thing blowing down there. What type of windstorm conjunction down there? It just keeps going. I don't even know what to tell you, player. It done rained about sideways down there 2 or 3 hours. Just tree bend, don't break, don't bend. I don't know what they got inside that thing elastic. Every time you done look down there, done one more windstorm, more wind than anything. I can't believe this crap, player. It have done just about came through category 9 down there, I tell you what. But they gonna just help. That sign's gonna hit somebody's car down there. They tell you what, man, that's a Dodge too. I don't care if it's a Dodge, man. You know that Chevy truck down there, but run out there. Whoa, my goodness, the walls are shaking on the building. What type of storm surge crap? Look at that thing ride through there, man. This ain't no joke, player. You'd have done died out there. You better go checking your folks down there, call your grandma, Aunt Lou down there, and take cars through how they doing down there. Because I tell you what, they'd have done shook the walls and the gravy off the biscuit on that thing. It'd have done blew about 2 or 3 hours. Look at that thing, little hound dog running. Look at that thing, man. What's wrong with you, man? Look at that thing run, blow down there, man. It'd have done blow down there like a tooth fairy done found a tooth half a mile down the road down there. What, man, I done a brand new building down there, the latest building code or something. That stop sign just don't go, man. I tell you what, just about when you thought it have done blew, it have done blow more, man. You thought it have done blew, it have done blow more, man. What on earth? That tell you what, that storm surge down there ought to be crazy, man. Yeah, heard me, player. It better about like blowing like that thing on Booze's cousin down there. I tell you what, that thing just blew down there like a storm pipe, tube tie down there. I tell you what, thing blew 500-600 miles an hour down there. It just keep going and going, buddy. Don't even stop. Every time you think about to stop, next thing you know, it sounds like a freight train going down there. Wall shaking and everything, baby. We in this, man. That wall done shook 2, 3, 4 hours down there. Tree flew by, hit 2 or 3 pedestrians down there. Better run out there, cut that power line off. This sounds like a freight train down there. I tell you what. I don't know what type of hurricane storm surge wind power that is. It might sound like a dang old Category 5 or something down there, man. That wind started still. That truck bed lid popped open, man. Oh no, player. Somebody call Bubba down there, let him know that dang power tool down there. Oh no, man. Oh, them some good power tools too, man. Oh, I can't watch this, man. Look at that good old power tool down there. You about the insurance company ain't gonna believe it unless it's on video. I tell you what. That insurance company ain't gonna believe this crap, man. That's a brand new power tool too, man. You just bought a whole bunch of thing down there at the Lowe's Depot down there. Went and got 3 or 4 of them power tools down there. Man, I tell you what, that thing blew 500-pound weight lift off that thing and it blew it, man. A little calm before the storm for a little minute down there, cool down, man. There you go too, man. Now, I tell you what, I wish this was happening in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, not here, man. I hope Titusville will get burned down to the ground with that storm. So I like that truck lid topper, man. They still got the power on out here. I tell you what, they ain't gonna let anything go. I tell you what, I'm the type of person to sit here and watch the storm blow through here. Wow, man. Guys, this is the back end of the storm. It's been worse than the front. I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen a hurricane that has a bigger punch on the back end than the front. This is nuts. This is insane. I've never seen a hurricane that has more power on the back end than the front. This is nuts. This is absolutely insane. The building is shaking. Wow. There we go. We got stuff crashing finally. I've never seen a hurricane that has more power on the back end than the front end. This is nuts. This is unbelievable. I don't know how we still have power. This is nuts. You can just hear it roar. Building starts shaking. The whole building shakes, man. You can feel the whole building shake. This is the back end of the storm. That's the crazy thing about it. It's like, normally the back end of the storm is a little bit more chill. Not with this one. This storm's gonna fool a lot of people. Hey, what? Roaring 20s down there, that thing. And nothing's broken. That's the crazy part about it. There's not a single thing broken down there. I don't know what type of building code or what, man, but there ain't anything, not a single thing. You guys hear that? Oh, that's scary. It's like a train roaring, baby. When it stops like that, you see the hurricane stop like that, it stops raining. That means what's coming behind that. You guys gonna watch 3, 2, 1, 0. Watch what's coming now. When it stops like that for a moment, what comes behind that, man? Watch this. When it stops like that, you think that's when it's really gonna come down. I tell you what. This is just insane. Insane in the nut burning down there, I tell you what. There it goes. Wow. Dude. Unbelievable, puppy. That is something right there, I tell you what.